Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Tate Dooley, the founder and CEO of Key to Life. Here we are in our blessed facility on the Rocky Mountain Metro Airport, or Jeffco Airport. This facility used to be the United States Marshals Holding Center, which is why the War Room gets actual bulletproof walls and bulletproof glass. This is the War Room. This is where we strategize on our next battle in the competition space. Anyways, here's where we also got some of our lead rock stars. Here's Kyle Brogy, microbiologist here at Key to Life. Main product specialist you'll talk to. You always know where my office is because of the crazy fundamental whiteboard. And over here we've got our kitchen where we keep the beasts fed. Oh, you don't even want to know what's happened in here. Over there, we've got our podcast room where we're setting up a Joe Rogan style podcast room. Look out, Joe Rogan, here we come. Actually, we just want to hang out. One of the people that wants to hang out the most is Queen Bee here. Queen Bee takes care of all order and everything pretty much here at Key to Life. She makes the operation actually really run, because I sure as heck don't do it. Here, we've got where the marshals would keep their data in this server room. And all 4 of these server rooms are reverse fire permitted to lock if a fire were to actually happen here. That's why we make sure to keep our favorite employees inside these rooms. Here we've got warehouse number 1. Warehouse number 1 has got all our fun goodies in it, but most importantly, our roots and our origin, which is that dirty tank up there. That Cyclone Tea Brewer was the very first product created out of this entire vision, which elevated oxygen levels and helped people to grow microbial-rich fertilizer and compost tea. 1 gallon of this compost tea was equivalent to 1,000 pounds of compost. So we were able to make big traction in a very short amount of time with our Cyclone Tea Brewer. Let's continue the tour. So over here, we've got one of our most exciting new products in the line, which is our Super Plug machine. This Super Plug machine makes these fun little soil sausages. These are organic media with an organic, dissolvable, biodegradable wrapping paper around them that is good for growers and farmers of all types. We also have a mobile seed sowing operation that goes with these plugs to help you sow 8,000 plugs per hour. Let's check out the rest of the facility. And here we've got our Super Plug seed sowing mobile service. This is a huge solution to farmers and growers out in the game sowing large amounts of seeds. A couple of years ago in 2018, we planted 65,000 seeds into seed plugs. It took 6 people 4 weeks to do. I could now do that in 1 day with 2 people with this one machine system. That gives me more even growth, more even yield, more even projectability for my crop. Also, saves me a lot of time, money, and labor during my seed sowing process with consistent automated results. Come on, check it out. So this is our seed sower. This is where the seeds get sucked into here, get dropped down into the plug, and then come along and get top coated with this, and then get watered in with Key to Life fertilizer here on the waterall. This allows our growers to be able to sow up to 8,000 plugs per hour. Book your Super Plug seed sowing mobile service today. And here we are, my and everybody's favorite part of our facility, the tarmac. We are here on the airport tarmac of the Jeffco Airport. We're blessed to be sharing this property with our friends, the Forestry Service. Thanks for all that you do for us, our forest, and yourselves during the fire season. Keep up the great work and keep everybody safe out there. We appreciate it. Thank you. And our final inventory looks so pretty and nice. However, you see those empty spots on those shelves? Yeah, it's a real problem, guys. Our shit is actually selling and selling out fast. So you better make sure that you get it before you miss the opportunity to have your garden look like your dream garden.